good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 4 from verse 14 to verse 30. People turn them back upon Jesus. Jesus go back at Galilee under the Spirit power. And news about him start to spread so till people will live near Galilee hear about him. Him teach in at the Jew them church and everybody talk good about him. When Jesus reach Nazareth, the place where party grow up, him go in at the Jew them church pan the Sabbath like him always do. Him turn up for read and then give him the roll-up book where the prophet Isaiah writes. Him roll it out and find the part where say, "The Spirit of the Lord depend me, cause him pick me out for carry good news go give poor people. Him send me for make the prisoner them know say them a go free. For make blind people know say them a go see again. For make people where suffer know say them now go suffer forever. And him pick me out for make people know say this at the time when the Lord a go saving people." When Jesus done, him roll up back the book, give them and sit down. Everybody way in the Jew them church yide it fast upon him. And Jesus start to tell them say, today, all the way not just here come true. Everybody talk good about him and them frightened for hear the nice sitting them where him say, "Wait, not Joseph boy this," them say. Jesus said to them, "Old time people used to say, doctor, cure yourself. Me know say not too long from now, you not go tell me the same sitting. You not go tell me say, the same sitting them where we hear say you do in a Capernaum. Do them right as so which part you come from." Make me tell you this, Jesus say. None of the prophet them never get respect from the people them where them born and grow amongst. A true thing say, enough woman where husband dead, the day of Israel in a Elijah time. Them time there, no rain name fall for 3.5 years and bad starvation did they all over the country. But God never send Elijah go on none of them. God only send him go to one place named Zarephath in a Sidon to one woman where husband dead. Same thing did happen to Israel in at the time of Elisha, the whole heap of people did have one sickness we make them skin fussy. But the Syrian we named Naaman get ill. All the people them in the Jew them church begs when them hear this. Them get up, run Jesus out of the town and carry him go at the edge of the hill which part the town there, fi fling him over it. But Jesus just slipped through the crowd and go about him business. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God